The product of iOS is the first time I visited here today, and I had the great opportunity to sit down with their staff. And I can tell you that it's a product that doesn't exist anywhere else in the world, because they have every level that we can imagine to have within a business center, from the virtual to the what we call hot desks or hoteling, to having the large space for the corporations that are coming in, to us in the United States that is cost prohibitive for us to do. So they're way ahead of the program in what comes to being a business center component in the United States or really in other parts of the world. So they are leaders here, and I envision, because they're nice and young, that they will grow their business, not only here in Mexico. I hope to have them as competitors in the United States. I have been in this industry for 32 years, and I truly still have a passion. And what I saw today with Javier and Adrian this morning and with their staff, the passion is here, the desire is here to grow, and you should all be very proud to have them as part of your community. Thank you very much.